Hi, so I'm going to show you how to use Tour Builder to build your own literature tour and use it in your English language classroom or literature classroom. So you can see that this is Tour Builder, and on the left hand side you can see that there are actually some note cards, I call it, and then actually they all refer to different locations on the map. And all you need to do is just pick the right locations, put the place mark, and then add some information or some external links or even discussion questions, and then your student can read it, and then they can do discussion, they can do extra worksheets and stuff. So I'm going to show you how to do it now. The first step, all you need to do is go to Tour Builder, search Tour Builder or type tourbuilder.withgoogle.com, and then you sign in with your own account. That's it. You're here at Tour Builder, and then you just click My Tours, and then you can click Create New Tour here. Simply input the tour name and your name as the author name. For example, and then create tour. Okay, and then you are brought to this page. And the first thing that you need to input would be the introduction, the cover page of your tour. You can add a photo or you can add a quick introduction or summary at this text box. So for example, I would add my own photo, Jenny. You can add it from a Google Drive or you can search a photo or image from Google search. And then you can type something as a quick summary. Like for example, this is the journey of my life. Okay. And then you can also change the font style using these functions, and you can also include links inside. For example, I will add my Facebook page. Okay, so then link is inserted. When it's ready, then it's done. Your cover page is ready. All you need to do next is click Add Location on the left hand side. Click Add Location, and then choose a location. For example, okay, Sha Tin, Hong Kong is where I live. So I choose the location and you can find it on the map. When it's shown, if you think that's the right place, you just need to add it to your tour. And sometimes you may not want to call this station, this point, just Sha Tin. You may want to give it numbers so that your student know which station they're at. So probably I can add your number 1 Sha Tin, or you can even change the location name into a title that you like. For example, when Jenny was born. So something like this. And then you can search photo, for example, like this. Choose a photo like this, and then insert. You can of course insert more than one photos. If there's any specific date for the event, you can also choose it. For example, oh, Jenny was born on July 22nd. Okay. You can also type a summary here. You type a discussion here. If you want to embed any external links, you can do it here as well. It's very easy. And of course, you can also change your icon. For example, if this is the starting point, you may want to make it like a house shape. Alright, that is done. Your first location done. If there are more other locations in your tour, all you need to do is just go back to the left hand side, click Add Location, and then choose the location, type the information, repeat the steps again. So if you think that, oh, my tour is ready and then it's done, you can either choose Save Now and then continue edit, or click Done Editing. So if it's done editing, then that's it. Your tour is ready. If you want to view it, yes, you can share your link, okay, with your student, or you can send them an email, and then make sure you change your privacy so anyone with the link can see it, so your student can read it afterwards. And of course, there's one more function, is that if your tour is ready, you can open it in Google Earth. So when you're in Google Earth, then you will see all the information you type on the right hand side, and then the stations, the points, the location will be on the left hand side. You can hide the location so that you can view the map with a larger space, and your student can simply click next on the right hand side. Then they can see different cards and they can read your information, and if you have any discussion or links they can see it as well, and they can also find it find your location shared on the map as well. So it's actually pretty cool and students actually like it. I hope that this quick tutorial can show you how to use Tour Builder, and then you can make your own literature tour, or for your leisure purpose build your own tour when you have a journey. Hope you like it. Bye.